so fast I can't keep up.
Yeah.
Watch out!
Can you move it? I was in the refrigerator.
You did?
Yeah. I did bump into my baby. I bumped in a naughty spot.
On the naughty spot?
Yeah, I bumped into the small naughty spot. That's so funny. That makes me laugh.
Can I see your laughing face?
Yeah.
Okay, go forward.
I can do it.
You okay?
Yeah.
Okay, can you push off?
I have to move the spike.
Okay.
I'll go way up a foot in there. There we go. I'm gonna ride so fast. I'm gonna ride so I like too old.
It makes you nervous?
Yeah.
Can you go down the hallway?
I think my bike, because I have to move again.
Uh-oh. Whoa, careful.
My bike is going to fall. Whoa, my bike. Mommy, my bike that's one. There we go.
Whoa. Look at those muscles.
Muscle. I have to do it.
You're like an acrobat.
I get on the brown part.
Oh, okay.
Here, can I get on the blue part for a second?
Sure, I guess. Be very careful, though.
I'll be very careful with my blue part.
Hold on tight.
I am holding tight. Okay? Good. You kiss me and I'll go in the hallway.
Okay.
Here. I will make my bike work in the hallway. I'll go fast. So I have to do under and push.
Oh, you're doing such a good job. Here, let me help you out a little bit.
Okay.
I think you're stuck on the rug.
Okay, I am. I think I am stuck on one.